Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Sanny the Bunny, author and illustrator, Bernard S. Okfemia. Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a little rabbit named Sanny. Sanny loved to explore and hop around the meadows near his home. One day, as he was hopping through the grass, he came across a big field with a fence around it. Curious as ever, Sanny hopped up to the fence and saw a sign that said, "Perimeter, 20 meters." Sanny didn't know what that meant, so he asked his wise old friend, Mr. Owl. "Mr. Owl, what does perimeter mean?" Sanny asked. "Well, Sanny," said Mr. Owl, "perimeter is the distance around the outside of a shape. In this case, the fence around the field is the perimeter." Sanny was fascinated. He had never thought about the distance around a shape before. He decided to hop around the perimeter of the field to see how long it was. He knew that each of his hops was equal to 1 meter. As he hopped along, he counted his hops and realized that it took him 20 hops to go all the way around the field. "Wow," said Sanny, "the perimeter really is 20 meters." From then on, Sanny loved to explore and discover new things about math. He even started measuring the perimeter of his own burrow, and he always remembered the lesson he learned that day in the big field. The end. Lesson of the story: the lesson that can be derived from the story is that knowledge is everywhere and can be gained through exploration and observation. Sanny didn't know what perimeter meant before he saw the sign in the field, but he was curious enough to ask and learn about it from Mr. Owl. This shows that even the most basic things can be a learning opportunity if we approach them with an open mind and a willingness to learn. The story encourages children to be observant and curious about their surroundings, as there are always new things to learn and discover. It also teaches them that knowledge can come from many different sources, including friends, teachers, and even signs in fields, and that it's important to always keep learning and growing. Try to answer the following questions. 1. What was the name of the little rabbit in the story? 2. What did Sanny find when he hopped into the big field? 3. Who did Sanny ask to explain the meaning of perimeter to him? 4. Imagine you were teaching someone younger than you about the concept of perimeter. How would you explain it to them? What examples would you use? 5. Reflect on a time when you were curious about something and learned something new as a result. How did your curiosity help you to learn, and what did you learn?